Hello, my name is Bruce, and I'm going to answer a question that I got a while ago. And somebody asked me, with my experience, do you think I can get into the cybersecurity field? So, this is the first time I'm seeing this, and I apologize for this was pretty late. Somebody sent me this like a month ago. I'm trying to get through my inbox. So we're going to talk about this specific person and whether or not they can get into cybersecurity. But before I start, you should know that I have a course that walks you through risk management framework. If you happen to be in the field of risk management, if you just got a job, if you're new to it, if you have some IT background, you want to check out my risk management course if you're trying to get into security compliance. It's really good, pays really well, all that kind of stuff. Should probably be a U.S. citizen. Before you start, it's hard to get one without being a U.S. citizen. The other thing I have is a remote jobs teleworking course where I tell you how I've been able to get these teleworking jobs on a consistent basis, and then also how to get into cybersecurity and make upwards of six figures, something I've been doing for a very long time. You can do it too. You just have to follow the method. It's not get rich quick at all. It's a lot of work. But okay, let's get into this. All right. So, man, David asks, with my experience that I have, I think I can get into cybersecurity. Do you think I can get into cybersecurity field? He says, what training is needed to get into the security field? I have a BS in information security and working at a MS in cybersecurity and working on my CEH. What are ways that I can get into the cyber field as I don't have security experience, and most jobs posting are wanting 4 to 5 years of experience. I do have some IT experience as I have worked in IT field for 4 years now, working on a SANS network. I do research security vulnerabilities. I do some for some customers we support. I have worked at Dell for 4 years, and I'm just wanting to get into cybersecurity. Okay, this is an easy one. So first off, David, you're way ahead of most people in this field. A lot of people come to me. They have zero IT experience, no certs, no a degree in something else. You are way ahead of most people who are trying to get in. So first off, you have you have many of the things that they're looking for right now to get into cybersecurity. Right now, you could do up a resume. If you send me your resume right now, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna email you right after this. You send me your resume, I can make it. I could highlight all of your security experience. You already have security experience, okay? What you do is highlight the security experience. If you've been doing this for 4 years, I guarantee you've patched systems before. That's security. You looked at vulnerabilities and you looked at maybe removed viruses. That's security. You might have wrote certain work instructions that included security. You may have helped create a policy or two for your organization. That's security. That's security compliance, actually. You may have, what else? You may have looked at your environment, like maybe looked into a computer or server room and then saw that it wasn't physically secure, and maybe you had to help make sure it was secure. Maybe you had to make sure that certain people came into that secure environment. Maybe you had to come up with a list or check the list and an access list to make sure people were in there. Maybe you had to remove accounts. That's called access management. So that's also security. Have you ever turned on audit logs? Have you ever updated signatures for your viruses on your server or on your computer? Have you had to update Java? I bet you there's no IT guy who haven't had to update Java and Windows and browsers and stuff like that. All that security related. If you've ever had to help the vulnerability team, if you've ever had to help the firewall guys, all that stuff is security. And so one of the best things that we need into the security field is somebody with your background. And honestly, I don't know why you're even trying to get into security since you have SAN experience. I thought SAN did really good, like a security area network. I always thought that those paid way better, but I could be mistaken. But yeah, cybersecurity. I'm sure all you have to do, if you send me your resume, I can help you to highlight those things. You know what I mean? Like all of those, all of those items are all security related. You like IT guys, your average IT, even help desk guys, your server guys, your storage area network, your database guys, on a regular basis, you actually do a lot of security stuff. You just don't realize it. So what I would do if I was you is I would, number one, you probably want a security certification. Like you're already working on CEH, so that's really good. Another thing you could possibly do is a security plus. CEH is better, much better. But security plus is another pretty good one, but that's kind of entry level. So CEH is the better choice. So forget about security plus for now. But yeah, you already have it. It's just a matter of you putting it on your resume and applying for jobs, and people are looking for your experience for sure. Right now, you could get a job doing cybersecurity right this minute. So there, I hope that answers your question. But yeah, I'm gonna message you right after this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.